Do you want to sell high quality digital products, save weeks of time in the creation process, or even if you just want to save a few $100s by not hiring graphic designers and copywriters? Then this is the most important video you'll see all day. Here's why. Because having a high quality product to sell is the #1 struggle most people face when trying to monetize their website or email list. What if there was a way to have a high quality, completely done for you product package for a fraction of the cost of creating one yourself? In just a minute, I'm going to show you how. But first, my name is Robert Bolgar, founder of Primo PLR, and producer of this brand new PLR product you're looking at right now. I've been creating high quality PLR products for years that have resulted in thousands of sales that my customers have been able to generate by simply rebranding it. This PLR package is going to give you everything you need to sell a high quality digital product by tomorrow. From lead magnet to core offer and even exclusive bonuses. Top internet marketers have been using high quality PLR packages like this for years. Every minute you wait is another minute you're missing out on valuable sales, and your potential customers are buying info products from someone else. You see, 9 out of 10 marketers fail to sell an info product because they quit halfway through the long, stressful creation process. With this PLR package, you'll get a complete product that you can start selling right away. Forget about spending thousands of dollars on graphic designers and copywriters. This PLR product will help you build instant authority in your market and allow you to start not only generating leads but also making a profit at the same time. Let's go through the modules real quick. Module 1, a professionally written ebook. Module 2, a follow-along checklist. Module 3, a resource cheat sheet. Module 4, a mind map. Module 5, a high-converting sales page and download page. Module 6, promotional email swipes. Module 7, a lead magnet report. Module 8, a squeeze page and thank you page. Module 9, 10 high-quality articles. Module 10, a professional graphics pack with PSD files included. And last but not least, the license pack with the PLR license and the licenses to give to your customers. You get all this for one low price. But if you take action today, I'll even include these exclusive fast action bonuses. Bonus 1, an extra squeeze page template. Bonus 2, promotional feature graphics box. Bonus 3, 10 additional headline swipes. Bonus 4, the secret free graphics guide. Bonus 5, the fast start training videos to get you up and running right away. As you can see, these bonuses are very valuable, but they're yours free when you act now. And you have nothing to lose because I offer a full 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If this PLR product doesn't save you money in the creation of a brand new product and funnel, if it doesn't save you weeks of time in the creation process, you will receive a full refund, no questions asked. As you can see, all the risk is squarely on my shoulders. So, here's how to order now. Go ahead and click the order link now, and you'll be on your way to selling your next high-quality info product. Let's get started right now.